Okay guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel, it is called Mayemki. What is Mayemki? Mayemki, a podcast channel that deals with an architect designs. And this is a Mayemki arc. This Mayemki arc channel, it is a channel dealings only with buildings, and it leaves the footprint, the tattoo on YouTube. If you're interested in our architect building, just go and see our footprint that we already put it on YouTube. We have a lot of footprints. When we mean footprint, means the videos. The video which are developing kindly are footprint. Okay, this is Miami. Here we are. Okay, so welcome. This is our pod channel that is Mayemki currently doing the architect design, and today we have these architect plans. As we show you all, it is a house which you can use as farming as a farmhouse, and currently it is coming up with a 4-bedroom inside. See, it is a 4-bedroom house and it looks like so. This is the simple one. See, okay, the parking ones. Okay, you can park your 2 vehicle over there, and you can enjoy the beauty of life. Now we are moving. Alongside it has a swimming pool. See, this is a swimming pool. Here you can swim, relax, have some fun, you and your family. And also you can chill after the rest of your day. You will feel tired. Okay, you can chill here. Okay, you can make your vehicle over here. So now we are going to see the ground level as usual. It is a floor plan, and as usual a floor plan is currently we started with the ground level, and on the ground level here we are on the inside. On the inside here we are, and currently we are going, it looks like this. See, the full buildings looks like this. It is a good one. Okay, now we are going. It is has 3 main entry, and the first main entry is here. This is accessing to the dining hall. See, this is a dining. Here you can have a diner. It is a dining area. You see, when you are on the dining, you can see the staircases. Also, alongside it has this living room. It is a good and huge living room here, and it on the living room as the second entry. As I told you, it has main entry. This is our second entry, which is alongside the brand name Mayemki. Okay, and after moving that, you see we have here, and here as you can see we have 2 options. We have that door. It is a public toilet or public bathroom. See, it is a public bathroom. It is a huge one. This is a public bathroom coming up with a door here, a shower cabin, as well as a jacuzzi. Okay, see, and here it is a staircasing area. Here it is a staircasing area. Now we are moving from that. We are accessing to the dining. We see we have this bedroom. It is a first bedroom of a house, and this is the beauty of this bedroom. On the ground one, it is a bedroom that you can enter in 2 different ways. Okay, see the door which we are entered that, and we have the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom, and looks like this. It is a bathroom, and it looks so. Here is our storage link, and also this is our storage link is alongside the kitchen. This is our kitchen, the heart of the house, the huge kitchen, the heart of the house. See, these are huge kitchens, hearts of the house. Here everything can be cooked alongside the dining area. So that is our ground level and looks like this. Now we are going to see our plan on floor. This is our floor plan here. See, this is our floor plan, and we have the second living room, which are used as a study. It is a second living room. You can chill, have some fun, enjoy the beauty of life. Now we have this second bedroom. See, we have this second, and every bedroom has accessing to the balconies. See, it's our second bedroom, and every bedroom coming up with its own bathroom inside. Okay, see, it has this bathroom inside. It is a house which are complete, have everything inside. It has the bathrooms, okay, it has the rooms, it has the balconies where you can relax, you can chill. See, like this balcony, it belongs to this room. You cannot enter without entering into this room. Okay, now we are going to see the other bathroom and no bathroom bedroom. See here, it is our third one. Okay, it is our third bedroom, and also it has accessing to the main balcony. It has accessing to the main balcony, and it is its own bathroom. Every room on this house currently coming up with its own bathrooms, and also there is a shared ones. So if you build this for yourself, kindly you can enjoy yourself. Now we are going to see, this is a master bedroom. It has a lot of visions. It has this table, it has its own balcony. It is a huge room, other huge bathrooms. Guys, if you're interested in this architecture designs, we can develop you. Kindly we can send you two architect plan. One, it is how it looks, and the second, it coming up with the dimensions. Remember, we are Mayens. Kindly we are dealing with an architect design. So don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Leave us down the comment, and we leave the footprint.